Hello creative friends, Marjolaine here with GelPress and Faith Impressions. Today I'm going to show you how to make a faux image transfer. This technique makes it look like you made an image transfer without all the extra work. To start, I tore the paper all around the image. I did this to soften the edges so that the image would blend in more. Next, I used Mod Podge to adhere the image to my page. You should probably use a paintbrush for this, but I chose my fingers. I used a plastic card to go over the image to make sure that it was bonded well. Next, I add a layer of Mod Podge on the surface of the image. Since I used an inkjet printer, some of the ink will smear, so I rub from the center of the face out. On my practice piece, it smeared a whole lot more, and I loved how that looked, so either way it looks nice. Next, I dry the page really well to move on to my next step. Now I'm applying paint to my gel plate, and I add some designs with a Stencil Girl stencil as well as a piece of corrugated cardboard. On my trial run, I did my first pull on a separate piece of paper, but this time I have a thinner layer of paint, so I do it directly onto my image. It worked out perfectly on both. Now I'm using a little bit of water and a tissue to remove paint from areas that I don't want covered. On my trial piece, almost the whole face was covered, but this time there isn't a lot to remove. Here I'm using the star from the Faith Impressions kit. The gold paint I'm using is acting strangely, but I make it work. My goal is to make a crown with a piece going down her forehead, but it didn't look right, so I wiped it off, which was possible because of the Mod Podge. I'm rubbing off the paint until I'm satisfied that the shape looks like a crown. Here I'm using the flower piece from the Faith Impressions kit to add some decorative corners to my page. I'm using carbon paper to trace my words on, and then I will use a black marker to trace them over. To finish off my page, I add a few doodles with my white pen. I love how this looks like an image transfer or even a stamp, and it was super easy. I hope you enjoyed this video and that you'll try this technique for yourself, and don't forget to subscribe to the GelPress channel, and I will see you next time. Bye.